Dear friends, today's topic is how to create a QR code for a particular web page in Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so let us go to Microsoft Edge browser. In order to create QR code, what you need to do is in the browser, Microsoft Edge browser, type edge // flags FLAGS, then press enter. Edge // flags, then press enter. Okay, then in this in search flag you just type QR code. Okay, now QR code is available. You need to enable it. Okay, enable sharing page via QR code. Any web page can be shared via QR code. It enables right click UI to share the page URL via a generated QR code. Mac, Windows, Linux, all these OS it works. So in this, click instead of default, click that button, click enable. Now your changes will take effect after you restart Microsoft Edge. So click restart at the bottom right side, click it. Okay, now the QR code has been enabled. Okay, now you take any open a new tab. For example, let me select a website, techcrunch.com. okay, so this website, let me create a QR code for this. Okay, in order to create QR code for this website, just click onto it. Already we have enabled the QR code. Now just select this website, then move on to the right side, this one, create QR code for this page, click onto it. This is the QR code. Once you scan this QR code, this page will be generated, right? It will lead to this page, which in turn the entire web page will be generated. Now click download. Now open the file. So this is the QR code generated for that page, techcrunch.com. Now you can save it. Save as. I am saving it in desktop as QR code for techcrunch.com. Save as PNG file. Click save. Okay, so this is the QR code for the particular web page. Okay, so once this QR code is enabled, you can able to create this QR code by clicking onto this website. If you want any other website also, you can do it. For example, my own website, let me click it. So I will generate QR code for this my website name. Okay, so in order to do that, just click it onto that link, then go here, create QR code for this page, click it. So this is the scan QR code for this particular website link. Now click download. Now open the file. So this is the QR code for that particular website, High Intelligence Eye. Similarly, you can able to save it. QR code for high intelligence I. So desktop I am saving it. Okay. So this is a process how to create a QR code for a particular web page in Microsoft Edge. Okay, not in any other document, it is in Microsoft Edge, right? So thank you, hope you understood how to create QR code using Microsoft Edge. Thank you.